What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to pack a box. Seems kind of silly, but you want to make sure your merchandise is not damaged on the way to us. We've actually had a couple problems. A lot of resellers just starting out. They don't know how to pack boxes. It's no big deal, but you don't want airspace like this, okay? So if it does get to the point where there's this much airspace, go ahead, get a box cutter or scissors or a knife and cut this down and fold the box in. Another option is to get enough of this. You can get painter's paper from Home Depot and fill up the box. Now, after you send us the weight of the box, we're going to provide you with the prepaid label. And a good test to know, and this is good for sending stuff to FBA too, is if you can hear stuff moving around, it's not good. You want everything to be in there tight. So keep packing it with extra paper laying around, and if you have to, cut the box down. That's it, guys. Thank you.